Love Island star Molly-Mae Hague is one of the most successful people to utilize the show to launch a career. She is the creative director of the fast fashion brand Pretty Little Thing. But what is Molly-Mae's net worth? 1. Molly-Mae is the creative director of Pretty Little ThingCredit, Splash. What is Molly-Mae's net worth? It is not known what exactly Molly-Mae's net worth is. From her position as an influencer to her salary at PLT, it's safe to assume she's racking up a fair fortune. After she left the villa, we reported how Molly-Mae secured a £500,000 deal with PLT. The huge 7-figure deal made her the creative director, and a multi-millionaire. She oversees all upcoming campaigns and signings for the brand, as well as continuing with her own collections for them. How much does Molly-Mae make? In May 2021, we reported Molly-Mae was a millionaire after raking in £558,323 in just 1 year. New accounts for MMH Group Holdings, of which Molly-Mae is the sole director, reveal she made the equivalent of £11,000 per week between August 2019 and August 2020. On top of her latest earnings, she also has assets of £786,959, including £777,179 in cash reserves. There are 3 businesses under the group's umbrella: Filter, MMH International and FM Cosmetics. Molly-Mae's bills total £232,662, with £159,809 in corporation tax. And this was all before becoming the creative director of PLT. How does Molly-Mae spend her money? A home. Molly-Mae and partner Tommy Fury purchased a £3.5 million mansion in Cheshire. They are renovating the 6-bedroom house, which Molly-Mae has been documenting on her Instagram. This includes 2 estimated £8,000 mirrors, a huge gym, and doubling the size of one of the bathrooms. Molly-Mae has said that this might not be a forever home, but she doesn't want to be trolled for her design choices, as it's her personal style. Jewelry. The 22-year-old star treated herself to a pricey new bracelet after signing the biggest contract of her career, as she landed a 7-figure deal with Pretty Little Thing. The Cartier 18K gold 1.99 carat bangle set her back a staggering £37,400, and looked right at home alongside her Rolex. The Cosmograph Daytona gold watch with a green face reportedly cost £29,350, though some have argued it's worth up to £75,000, and rested between the new Cartier and Molly's £3,850 vintage Alhambra gold bracelet. On her other wrist, Molly wore 2 more vintage Alhambra bracelets, costing £4,450. And £3,350. There was also a £10,500 Juste un Clou 18K bracelet with 32 diamonds, and a £40,000 18K white gold, 1.99 carat diamond Cartier bracelet. Surgery. Molly-Mae has been getting a lot of her cosmetic procedures reversed recently as she embarks on a journey to achieve a more natural look. Experts have estimated that the social media influencer, 21, has spent over $8,000 (£5,800) on regular procedures and is now paying thousands to have them reversed. She is believed to have had her lip filler and jaw filler reversed, as well as being in the process of having her veneers or composite bonded pearly whites toned down. It has been estimated that Molly-Mae could have spent over £6,000 on injecting filler and removal procedures and at least another £2,000 on her teeth. The social media influencer is having her perfectly pearly white teeth toned down to make them look more natural. Molly revealed in a recent blog that she has had her composite bonds removed, to reveal her natural and extremely yellow teeth.